Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make my Views Club detox drink, okay? And I'm calling it Views Club because a lot of you were curious when I posted it on my Instagram, and I definitely want to share these little things I'm doing behind the scenes to help ail my body into detoxifying properly without getting so many headaches and without bouncing back to old dietary habits, right? Which is, it's not an easy one. I'm learning. I'm not perfect. I don't want you guys to think that just because I'm doing a detox that it doesn't mean that I'm not going to eat French fries or enchiladas, chicken wings, or some of the great Mexican food that I tend to cook, right? So I will be eating that, but right now I'm just going through something, trying to get healthier. So I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite things to drink when I'm detoxifying, because it's not just the fibers from your fruits and vegetables or all those wonderful vitamins. It's also aiding your body in eliminating, kind of like sending it packing your toxins out of your body, because there's a lot of sweat glands. You need to be sweating. You need to take baths. You need to scrub your body to aid your body. You got to help it out if you're detoxing. And there's so much variety of detoxing that I can only say what I'm going through. I want to let you guys know I'm not a dietitian. I'm not in any way, shape, or form qualified to tell you guys what to do and what not to, but I definitely think I have an opportunity to give you curiosity about the products that I'm using, so that way you can ask your doctors, because I know a lot of my Views Club, you guys are going through a lot of things, and it makes me sad, like, to hear you guys talking to me about your ailments, recipes that you guys want. And you guys can go back on a lot of my comments. I get a lot of comments from a lot of you that are going through health issues, and it makes me feel like I can do better for you. Like, I should be doing better because I'm presenting foods that you already know how to make. The whole world knows how to make, but a lot of things that aren't being talked about is health and nutrition. And for me, I'm not trying to have you eliminate all animal products or all cheese products. What I'm trying to do for myself, and maybe some of you guys will find it beneficial in your life, is to eat more balanced and more nutritiously for my family. So now that I've rambled a lot about what I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to try and make it quick. And if you guys want more questions about this, I'll definitely answer it on the other channel, Views Club. I'll put the links in the description and at the end of the videos. And I'll also put a little bit more information about the product that I am using today and why I choose to use it. So let me show you guys exactly how I make it, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to take a little bit of this water here, because I like to make enough to where I have enough to drink throughout my day. And the product that I'm going to be using it's called Spirulina. You can get Spirulina in a pill form. You could get it in a powder form. For me, I like it in a powder form. It's such a beautiful thing to use. It's an algae, it's a blue-green algae, and that's why you guys see the blue colors. And it's going to depend on what light and how much of this you use that's going to transition the color. And this isn't the only greens that I am consuming in my system. I actually have another one that I use on a daily basis, but I'll discuss that one with you guys a little bit later, depending on how you guys embrace this one. So it's recommended to use about 1 teaspoon daily, but if you're just getting started, start with half. You got to start somewhere. Spirulina definitely does help you with like cardiovascular, with digestion, especially if you guys suffer from candida. And if you don't know what candida is, you got to search it up. Those are like the yeast in your body that really enjoys you eating all those wonderful carbs. Well, it's called candida. And I didn't learn about candida because I definitely grew up with a lot more fruits and vegetables. So I really don't know a lot about it, but I definitely know, like, if you wake up in the morning and you look at your tongue and you have a thick film of white stuff I use a tongue scraper every morning after I brush my teeth, and you scrape off, and if you have a lot of like white mucousy buildup, that's probably candida, guys. I think if we don't eat a nutritious balanced meal, we definitely have those. So see, I get all excited about talking about these things, and I'm trying to accommodate the new Views Club, the old Views Club, and all my friends, because I know some of you guys don't have the time to sit here and listen to me, and some of you guys really enjoy hanging out with me, and I enjoy hanging out with you. You're my social time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. And I'm going to start mixing it. If you have a shaker, put it in there and shake it. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and balance it out this way. I know it looks dark and green here. And what I like to do, I like to add a little bit of citrus. The longer you let it sit, like for example, I let this sit for 5 minutes, you're gonna get more of the blue-green color. If you want it super, super light, you just have to use less of the powder to make this. For me, like when I get to about this much of water, I go back and even with the same ingredients, I fill it back up and drink it with water or my cup, whichever one I'm doing. So once I make it, this stuff runs about like, I wanna say $17 to $20 depending on the size that you get or if you get it in pill form. But I keep it in my refrigerator. It lasts a really long time and I'm very fond of blue-green algae. There's another one that I started getting into. I think it's called something live blue-green algae, like L3 Live, I think it's called. They have it at Whole Foods in the freezer section and you have to be very, very careful on how you consume that, but it definitely helps a lot with brain function. And when I was learning a lot of things about my son and autism, I really did some research on how I was gonna help my son. So let me get some ice because I need to put some ice in my drinks. All right, so I like to go ahead. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze half a key lime because both of these combinations are gonna aid in digestion, okay? They're gonna help you move it along with your system. You're gonna find out that if you suffer a lot from candida and when you first start, like your first 5 days, you're gonna feel like you're a little bit more bloated and swollen. Well, the thing is that you're hydrating your cells. So slowly, the more you're consuming it, the more your body's secreting a lot of your toxins, a lot of like the inflammation that goes on with our bodies. So you wanna be careful. Again, I'm gonna repeat this several times when I'm doing these detox things because I don't want you guys to be like, she's a fraud. I did this and it didn't work. What's working for me, I can tell you guys right now, this past week, I for sure lost about 3 pounds. And it's probably water weight. Like I'm just getting started on this journey and I'm not looking at my scale. I'm looking at how my body feels. I look at how I feel. And if it's making me feel good, I'm gonna keep doing it. You know? Again, I'm not a dietitian. I just like to read. I'm an introvert and I like food. Like if it helps you guys to say you're on a diet, go for it. For me, it never helped me to say that I was on a diet. And there's a lot of wonderful like plans and meal plans for you guys that are definitely great. You just got to do what works for you. You know, if somehow I inspire a little bit of health in you guys, like that makes me feel a lot better. Because seeing you guys request healthier options is making me happy because it shows me that you guys care about me too and my family. So shake it up. It's gonna look green with my lighting here, but when you go outside and your light hits, it's gonna get blue. You know what? I'm gonna, no joke, I'm gonna sit outside. I'm gonna have my drink. So I've been enjoying, while my kids are playing, I'll sit by my little garden area and then I'll just have a quick little drink like this. All right, friends, this is how I make my detox drink. Whatever question you guys have, make sure to leave me in the comments down below, and all the questions that I get a lot of thumbs up on, I'm gonna be answering it on the other video. That's if I have a lot of questions. And if I don't have that many questions and I can answer a few in the comments, I'll go ahead and handle it that way, okay? One of the things you're gonna see, the more it sets, the bluer it's gonna get for you guys. Right now it looks green because of my lighting in here. I'm still working on it for you guys, but for the most part, I definitely recommend you guys, before you start making it with smoothies or anything else, just drink about 8 ounces. If you have to chug it and get it over with, but definitely like incorporate it in your life if you want to see slight changes, you know, because the healthier we eat, the more your body's like, hey, what did you have last time? That's what I'm craving. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Continue to send me your pictures on Twitter and Instagram so I can share them here with our club. On that note, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure to stick around towards the end so I can have a few slides with a little bit more information that you guys can read about spirulina. This one is my favorite one. I've had this one in my home since I started eating a lot healthier about 8 years ago when I learned more about it. And this one is my favorite one. In the end, pick the one that works for you and works for your budget. That's if you're interested in adding this. But make sure that if you are gonna be adding this to your diet, that you are taking it serious and you are at least having more fruits and vegetables before you have your naughty foods. So on that note, I'm not trying to scold you. I am a mommy. I do love you guys very much and I love myself. So you know, I have my concerns with nutrition. Point blank, like there's no other way to say it. Like, I don't feel guilty, but I'm definitely aware that some of the things that I eat are not okay for me. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios!